first we're going to start in my living room. So this is the door, of course, and this is the spacious living room. They did have furniture in here before I moved in here, but I was like, it's a no-go. I do not want that furniture. So I decided to go inexpensive but smart and get a futon from Walmart. As I stated, everything pretty much came from Walmart because I am a college student and I do not feel that I need to spend money that I don't really have. So if you're looking for something that's very inexpensive yet cute and affordable and just looks so adorable in your apartment, make sure you check out Walmart. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but if they do want to sponsor me, hit me up in my email. I'm always available. So I got this little rug, which I'm not even gonna speak on that. That's just something to hold in place. I got this mirror from Walmart during Black Friday, and I was like, where am I gonna put this mirror at? And I was like, let me just sit it here just in case, just until I find somewhere to put it. And bam, I like it like that. This is a gray futon. I think it was under like $200. Y'all save your money if you can, okay? It's not that serious, I promise you. And I got this little bookcase for like $10 or $12 and this lamp for $8. And I just decorated that just how it is right there. And then we're gonna walk into my little house, my little apartment. So here we're gonna start off with my luxurious bed that I absolutely love. It is my absolute favorite, and I picked it out myself. It is a royal/navy blue. It probably looks, I don't know what color it's gonna look on camera, but anyway, whatever color you pick up off, that's the color it is, because basically it's royal/navy blue, depending on the day. And that's my little handy dandy fan that I always use every night. Your girl gotta have her fan to go to sleep. So yeah, this is my bed. If you want any details about this bed, how much it was, where I found it at, which I found it at walmart.com. As I stated, everything pretty much comes from Walmart. That's my go-to store. And I don't know what this is, but whatever. Okay, so this is like my favorite part of this bed. I just love the design on it. It just looks so expensive, and believe it or not, this bed was under $200. My comforter set comes from Walmart as well, and this little throw comes from a store called Roses down here in Louisiana. I don't know if they have them other places, but I'm pretty sure you can get that from Walmart, the dollar store, whatever. But yeah, this is my luxurious bed and my comforter set. And then over here we have my little desk that my friend put together for me, my best friend. Hey, best friend. With some shoes and a little glass. Well, that glass really doesn't go there, but it's going there today because I forgot to move it. But it doesn't look too bad. But it's just some shoes just to give it a little, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then over here, Future Gatorade. They're not sponsoring me, but it's up there, okay? It's my TV and this little bookcase thing that I got from Walmart that I painted, which wasn't really a good idea because it was originally black. I was going to get the white ones, but I did not want to wait for them to come in because I was so adamant about painting them. So as you can see, some of the paint is coming off of it, but I'm just gonna rock with it as a vintage look and call it a day because your girl is not going back and paint it again. So on this little bookcase here, I have my Bath and Body Works, my candles, and some purses here just to kind of give it a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna move into my bathroom, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna turn the light on for you guys. So I have a K here for my business, Keeper's Closet, extensions and Keeper Closet apparel. If you want to know more about that, you can check us out at Keeper's Closet Extensions on Instagram and Keeper's Closet on Facebook. I will post everything, all the links in the bio, so you guys can go check them out. And then here we just have my shower curtain, which is so adorable. And these rugs I got from Roses as well. No, my floor isn't dirty. It's like little paint from, I guess, whenever they were painting my room. And then here is a little picture I got from Roses as well. And I do not know what I want to do with this part right here. I know it's not supposed to look like that, but I want to put like a towel behind it. So if you guys have any ideas, make sure you put those in the comments below of how I should decorate this part with the towels right there. I do want to leave those there, but I want to kind of make them look more appealing. But for right now, that's that. And then we're going to come here to my second bookcase that I painted. And this is my favorite part of the bathroom. So it has a D for my name, and it has my little Bath and Body Works soap at the top. And it has a showcase of my towels. As you can see, the bookcase got ruined with the paint again, but I'm just gonna let it flow as vintage, like I said, and call it a day. I have my soap, my toilet paper and my towels on here, and I thought that that was just such a cute setup. And I did paint those baskets myself. They were just regular wooden baskets, but I did paint them myself. Let me show you guys, to match my bed. So this is pretty much the color of the actual bed, if you didn't get to see it at first. So yeah, that is my apartment, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys because I was so excited to move. Oh, let me show you guys my little elephant. Elephants are my favorite animals, so I was really happy that somebody brought me this elephant for my apartment shower. I did have an apartment shower. I may throw some clips in, but I'm pretty sure I won't because my nephew was recording and it's like really blurry. So yeah, if you don't see it, it's because it's too blurry to really put in there. If you do see it, yay. And I got that lamp, that little pink lamp for roses as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. If you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up because your girl is back on YouTube. I'm a senior now in college and I'm ready to rumble.
Hey, bankroll, turn up on these fuck niggas.
Life bring you up, life bring you down. Life will slow you up, life will slow you down.